The gear tooth strength calculator using the Lewis formula determines if your gear teeth can safely handle applied loads. Let's explore each input field. First, select your material from the drop-down menu, which offers steel at 210 MPa, cast iron at 140 MPa, bronze at 84 MPa, or plastic at 35 MPa. For this demonstration, I'm using steel. Next, enter the module in millimeters. Then input the face width, also in millimeters. Enter the number of teeth, which must be at least 6. Add the speed in RPM. Finally, input the tangential force in newtons. Here's a worked example. With module at 10 millimeters, face width at 10 millimeters, number of teeth at 10, speed at 10 RPM, and tangential force at 10 newtons, the calculator provides 5 key results. The bending stress calculates to 0.50 MPa. The Lewis Y factor equals 0.200. The allowable load shows 4200.0 newtons. The safety factor is an impressive 420 bar. The safety message confirms this design is safe with adequate safety factor for normal operation. This calculator ensures your gear design meets strength requirements before manufacturing. Find the link in the description below.